Okay, this is a new install of a toilet. I just got the wax ring cleaned off. Going to do a new install using the Grand Small Easy Toilet Bolt caps. These come in white, beige, and black. But the difference of these here, hold on one second, is that they have a very long nut on them, which makes the cap very hard to come off. So I like these caps. I'm going to go ahead and do an install. So right off the bat, I note with these that they come with a plastic ring here. And these plastic rings are really nice because they won't let the bolt slip back down. So I like that. These also come with a snap-off bolt, so you won't have to cut the bolt. So let me get the toilet and get it placed, and then I'll go to the next part. Okay, got the wax ring on, got the toilet placed, and now it comes with two of these brass washers. So you take the brass washer, put over the top like so, and then you take their proprietary nut and put it on. And do the other side. Okay, so have it installed. You notice the nut's a little bit past the break off point for the bolt. So now I just need to snap this off and put the cap on, and we should be good. That wasn't too bad. And then you take the cap and just push it down. And that's a good solid cap. It's not going to pull off of there. So dogs and cats and kids won't be able to pull that off too easily. So that's the install of the GrandEZ cap. They're available on Amazon.